Hi, Amanda from Tradie Hub and Trade Guys here, and today we're going to be talking about automating comments on Facebook and Instagram to get you leads, to turn those people into leads within your database if you have one. So, do you post on Instagram or Facebook? Do you get comments on those posts? Do you engage with those comments? And do you get the details of the people that have commented to then add them to your database and with the aim of converting them? So, what we're going to show you today is a way that you can do all of this hands off um, to grow your business using automation. So let me show you what it looks like. All right, so here we're looking at a Facebook post. You will notice that there is a call to action. So with your posts, I would encourage you to have some sort of call to action. So if that's, respond with quote if you'd like more information, or put a hand up or emoji, whatever, to try to engage people. So kind of lead them into the next step. So in this instance, we're saying drop startup in the comments and we'll send the guys straight to your inbox. So this is encouraging engagement with your posts. And so we're going to get somebody, who's me, replying with startup. So off the back of that, we try to take that off the comments and into a DM. So we say, hey, thanks for your interest. We've sent you a DM with more details. Cool. All right. So I check my DMs here. And we can see that it has then asked, what email address can I send the checklist to? And I give it my email address. Thanks. Check your inbox for the checklist. So what this is doing then is asking for contact details. So I don't know if you've ever noticed, but if someone engages with your business through Messenger, you have about 24 hours before Facebook or Instagram cuts you off and says, oh, you can't spam this person, with promotions a year on. You have a very short window to engage them. So what we need to do in that very short window is get contact details so that we can engage them later on when the timing is right. We have a special offer. So we need to have a way to do that. And we can do that with the Tradie Hub system. So looking at this, I'm going to hop over into Tradie Hub and we can see the full history here. So this is all hands off, by the way. So there is a very simple automation where we outline what the response is here based on this being the trigger. So someone's saying startups, that's the trigger. This is the action that it takes. And the next action will be to send the DM. Yeah. So asking for those contact details is completely hands off because it automatically will take this email address or phone number and add it into the system. Additionally, we can have other steps that can happen here, such as buttons popping up for the lead to set, like to click to call, to click to go to your booking site, or have any other custom buttons that you might want to have. So it's really cool. It's a really great way to make the most of the people that are engaging with your posts, and also try to collect that contact data. So if you look at this and going, oh, this is very specific, saying startup, when are people ever going to say that? You could have something that's completely, I guess you could say, evergreen for your business. So if you wanted to have drop quote in the comments, or you can also be listening for if someone says, what is the price, or quote, or listening for certain words. So you can actually have different responses for different words. And that can be really beneficial because it means the system's always listening for people that want to engage with your business and to guide them on the next step. So I'm not going to show you how this is done because that would completely blow your minds. But we do have that available in the Tradie Academy. I do have a blog about this that I'll post the link to. But yeah, we can get access to all this in the Tradie Academy and Tradie Hub, as well as step-by-step training on how to implement this. Additionally, we can always do it for you. So thanks for watching. Please reach out if you have any questions. I'd love to hear about what you would like to know more about in terms of automation and how we can help your business. So thanks for watching.